I would say just, getting back into feeling strong in my body. Yeah, I think that's like the most basic answer I can think of, is just wanting to feel overall strength again and not have, when I take a weird step, sharp pain in my lower back, or when I jump, I have to run to the bathroom or things like that. Just feeling like I have a solid core foundation. And I was able to get there after my first child and after my first experience with Limitless. And, that was a C-section recovery. And now I'm in my round 2 and recovering from a VBAC. So it's, getting back. I know I'm confident I can get back there. So I really appreciate the attention at Limitless. I feel like I was a college athlete, and so I've had my fair share of going to different physical therapy offices, and I have always had the feeling of being kind of like moved around, and it's an hour-long appointment or 45-minute appointment, but I really am only interacting with the physical therapist for 10 minutes combined. They're holding multiple patients and just kind of doing like a group workout almost, it feels like. So I really appreciate at Limitless the one-on-one attention that you get, and I think that's why the education part really comes forward, because they're giving so much of their knowledge and time to you. I think that's rare in physical therapy offices. So I think it's so fun and friendly. I know all of the other therapists' names, even though I haven't worked with them. And Casey's getting a puppy in a few weeks, and Pat just went on his honeymoon. And so it's really a really friendly and welcoming community and culture. They're supportive of my journey, even though they're not my, physical therapist. Sierra and Lindsay at the front desk are constantly holding Callan and helping me get through my workouts. And they know the name of my first son and ask me how he's doing. So it really just feels like a group. I know they're not my friends, but it feels like they're my friends. And so I look forward to coming and working out and seeing them. And yeah, it's a really comfortable environment. And when you're dealing with incontinence symptoms or can't get out of bed and you're having to that's can be really vulnerable sometimes. So having this safe, comfortable space is, I think, really important. Oh yeah, like I said, I definitely have, and I've worked very closely with 2 therapists before, and both of them are fantastic. And just like I said, my relationships with the other therapists, there seems to be, everybody is awesome. So you can't go wrong 100%. Just come try it out, I would say.